General Sibiya, you said on your statement that Mkhwanazi is being funded. So we want to know as a committee, who is the person that is funding Mkhwanazi? Who is that person and for what purpose?
You see, Chair, when you are trying to milk a cow and then there is a goat, you might as well find that the goat's milk tastes better than the cow's milk. That is why in geography, when the plate tectonics are proving the fact that Eswatini is doing better, and then the
Sibiya, you're not getting us right. We asked the question: who is funding Mkhwanazi and for what purpose?
Yes. I was trying to get to that point, Chair. That you see, when it's about to rain, clouds are formed, but you will never know if it's the cumulonimbus are gonna fill the river. Hence my
now
standard
you are taking us back and forth. You are not direct to answering the questions. Now I am wondering, did you even finish your matric? Did you even reach matric, Lieutenant Sibiya?
Aish.